My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this video, we're doing some car news. So Derek Bieri from Vice Grip Garage became part of this world record to have the largest classic car parade, and it was in Tulsa, Oklahoma. He was brought on to kind of help out and bring the volume up for the cars, and well, he did. He brought a large volume of cars. He got a lot of people to turn out, and it just didn't go very well. It sounds like Tulsa didn't plan very well. They did not a good job, and the whole thing was successful in some sense. I think they broke the record, but a disaster, elsewhere. People were upset. In the car community and in the local community, it just wasn't a good thing, and Derek was very unhappy about it. If you saw his Facebook posts, he was fuming about it for a few days there, and Tulsa really didn't do anything to make it right. They did refund everybody, but they didn't apologize. They didn't make it right in any way, and it seems like they just don't care, to be honest. And well, Derek's not happy about that. He did in his latest video, he talked about it in more detail. It sounds like in 2027, he's gonna break that record, and I just want people to know about it. I think that record needs to be broken to set the score right, and I'd love to be a part of it, but I need your guys' help. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. That way I can get monetized, and I have a little bit extra money to go down there and do that. It's not possible for me right now. I've got something to bring, but I won't be able to do it without your help. So I'm gonna make a video every day. I'm trying to do that to get monetized, and I also want to get Cleetus's attention because I'd love to meet Cleetus, go down to Freedom Factory. I think that would really help the channel grow as well. So that's part of my logic behind it. I'm working really hard because I want this. I want things to work out for the channel. So please help me. Check out my video over here on why I want to meet Cleetus. Check out my other videos. I build cool stuff. Just right now I'm filming a video every day. I'm just mostly talking about stuff or giving tips because I want to pump my numbers up, get monetized, and that'll help me do these other projects. I'll have a little bit more money to do things. So please help me out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video because I'm filming every day. I'm crazy. So see you guys tomorrow.